Happy Christmas! This is the dress I'm gonna wear. About 13 hours straight of sewing.
You know it's Christmas.
It's been a very lovely Christmas this year. What was inside the giant box?
For the children above all.
Good morning everyone and welcome to the fourth and last week of Vlogmas. This morning I put on one of my vintage dresses from Carmela and I took some photos for Instagram here. Other than that, I need to edit my vlog today, of course, as every Friday. And I have scouting tonight and the kids have organized some kind of Christmassy activity. So we were told to dress fancy. We'll see what's up. So I'm gonna have some lunch now, I think, and then get to editing. This is the dress I'm gonna wear. I got this a few years back and I haven't really had an occasion to wear it yet, but it is fancy and Christmassy enough that I think it would be fitting for today. I really love the straps in the back. It has like this silver chain thing and the straps cross in the back. It's a really pretty dress. Good morning guys, it is Sunday now and I didn't really vlog yesterday. I literally did nothing all day besides stress out over the housing market. Yeah, yesterday was one of those days that just kind of went by and I'm like, how did this day already pass? Anyways, in the evening our friend Barry came over and we played some games. We played this board game and we played some Just Dance and it was really fun.
Ja, dus als je mag dobbelen, mag je 2 keer dobbelen. Succes!
Leaves are turning yellow. The air is getting cold. My mind is feeling mellow. The days of fall are growing old. When I say that your arms should always be around me, come the day when the snow is falling over all we see. I wake up from a slumber to the sound of carol songs. Despite the stress that we've been under, I feel today can't turn out wrong. No, holding on to the feeling of complete devotion. When I'm gone, I will leave behind my love for you, my dear. Hope and laughter closing in on me, bringing the joyful.
Today I have a little bit of a reunion with my university friends. One of them is having her birthday party today and a bunch of us are going over there, which is really fun, but she lives all the way on the other side of the Netherlands, literally, so it's a 3-hour journey, a little bit more than 3 hours there and back again. I'm gonna be spending 6 hours on trains today. Anyways, the other girls are gonna get on the train slowly as it moves through the Netherlands, so in the end we're all gonna arrive together probably. So it should be good, but I think I'm just gonna bring a book anyway, so it should be a nice and relaxed day. It's gonna be nice. I have little Dermot here, just finishing his food for the morning. I can't believe it's already Christmas. There's only 2 days to go for Christmas Eve, and Christmas Eve is when my family celebrates Christmas. It's a crazy idea. Yesterday was the winter solstice. Oh guys, I'm so happy. I'm so happy days are getting longer again, because that long dark, it's just no good. It doesn't work for me. I need more sunlight. All right, I think I'm just gonna get dressed, get myself a train ticket, and yeah, do some things I need to finish still before I head out.
'Tis the season to be young and free. Oh yeah.
Good morning, everyone. I had a great time at my friend's party yesterday. It was so good to see everybody again, do some catching up. We had a really great time, but it was a long way to travel. That's okay, but today I need to completely dedicate to actually making my last Christmas present. This project has been in the works for a while, but I couldn't show it on camera because this is the only video that's actually going up after Christmas. But I am making a medieval inspired type of headdress. Yeah, that still needs to be done, like the actual construction of the thing. And since my sewing machine is still broken, I have to do it by hand. So I have taken out all day today to do that. All I need to do besides that is just the groceries. And that's not even super urgent. I can do that tomorrow morning as well. I think actually I better just get started. I'm having a very millennial lunch today. Avocado and hummus on toast with some nutritional yeast. I'm watching The Dressmaker on Netflix. It was recommended to me by Netflix. It's quite nice. It's set in the 50s, features Kate Winslet, Liam Hemsworth. Working on the cap here. I have the red half. I want to make a red half and a black half. So I have the red half here and I'm just stitching along the edges. Because it's a double layer, I'm stitching along the edges. I'm going to turn it inside out and then attach the two sides together. It's taking a very long time. I hope I have enough time to finish this today, but nothing I can do but just keep going. The Dressmaker was a weird movie. Pretty nice, I guess. Currently watching Bridget Jones. Slowly making progress. Still working on the same piece as I was. I'm afraid it's gonna be a late night tonight.
Time when everybody smiles.
Hello everybody, happy Christmas! Welcome to the mess that is currently my house after about 13 hours straight of sewing yesterday. The thing is done. I finished it. I am quite happy with how it turned out. Let me just put it on. It is way too big for me because the recipient has a rather large head. Here it is. It's big, but I really like it. I'm very happy with it. So I'm gonna just wrap that up, pick up some things here and there really quickly, put on some makeup, and then I'm gonna head over to my parents' house where we're gonna celebrate Christmas today. Robert is off to Barry's house. He's gonna spend the evening there. We're going to open presents tomorrow morning, so yeah, it's gonna be a fun day. I think we're gonna watch some old fairy tales over at my parents' house. And of course I'm wearing my dress. Oh, and the sewing machine repair shop called this morning to say that they actually already fixed my pedal. Actually, they said the pedal wasn't fixable, but they attached a new one to the cable, so I could potentially pick it up today, but it's Christmas. The Dutch don't really celebrate Christmas today. I think their main event is tomorrow usually. I'm gonna have to probably pick it up after New Year's, but it's fixed, it's done, so that's wonderful. Just need to pick it up. Good morning, it is Christmas morning and Robert and I just prepared our breakfast. Here we have loads and loads of things. Oh guys, I can't wait to dig into this. Yay! Yummy yummy! And then we're gonna open presents. We had breakfast which extended into lunch because it was massive. And we opened presents. So for everyone who was wondering what was inside the giant box, ta-da! I got Robert a country guitar, is that what they're called? Anyways, that beauty right there. And he got me, I'm very, very excited about this, a museum card, which allows access to over 400 museums in the Netherlands. I'm really, really, really excited about that. I love museums and there are so many around, even just in Amsterdam, and I'm so happy with that. So we're about to head over to my parents to have dinner there. We're going to Robert's family tomorrow, but first I am just sewing some buttonholes onto these pajama pants. I got a set of pajamas as a present yesterday. Super comfy, super soft, but way too big for me. So I'm just making some buttonholes and I plan to put a string through the band so that I can tie it up. Because, you know, an oversized pajama is really comfy, but it does need to stay in place. So I'm just fixing that up. It's a really, really nice and quite relaxed day. We just watched the first episode of The Witcher, by the way. What do you guys think? I tried to read the books a few years ago when I was a teenager, I think. I actually have one of them in my bookcase right here in Czech. And I got through like half the book, but I don't really remember exactly why I stopped reading because it's been 10 years, I think, since I did it. But now that I watched the first episode of the show, I kind of remembered. I believe I stopped reading because it was just so much to process at once, like so much information. All the characters, locations and everything is introduced very quickly, and I believe I kind of just lost the bigger picture and gave up. And I kind of feel like the show is doing the same thing a little bit. Like the first episode was just a lot of information, pretty hard to follow. I found my emotional investment in the show isn't all there yet, but we're gonna give it another try, watch a few more episodes and see how I feel about it. I think I'm just gonna continue sewing for now and then get changed into something slightly fancier than my Christmas outfit again, and we're gonna head over to my parents' house.
When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas.
Hey guys, it is second Christmas day. I am currently getting ready. We're having dinner at Robert's parents today, which is really nice. We spent another nice and quiet morning, had some really nice breakfast leftovers from yesterday, and then we spent some time writing our poems. This year we're taking the Christmas tradition of writing poems with presents over to Christmas because we didn't really celebrate Sinterklaas with Robert's family. We all have a Secret Santa type thing going on, and everyone is to write a poem to accompany the gifts. And in good tradition, some families do that in the Netherlands where they write a gift that is slightly embarrassing for the receiver. Mine isn't that bad this year, actually. It's really, really decent. But yes, we did that this morning, and now we're just kind of cleaning up around the house. We're gonna finally get rid of those giant boxes that Robert's guitar came in, but then we're gonna head over there. I think we're gonna cycle, so I am just doing my hair. I must say, guys, it's been a very, very lovely Christmas this year. It's been really, really nice. A little bit more relaxed. I don't know, I was a little bit stressed beforehand, but then on the other hand, I do feel like, for the most part, except for the medieval hats, I took enough time, you know, for everything, all the preparations and the gifts and everything, and that meant that I wasn't as stressed out over things that were super urgent. Most of the stress that I did feel was because of work-related things. I had quite a lot of sponsored content going up in December, which is amazing and wonderful. I'm super grateful for that, because December is always a really good month for paid content, and I was very lucky to have some sponsors this month. But you know, that does mean deadlines, and in a month that's already pretty busy, it does add a little bit of extra pressure, but of course I'm not complaining. I'm super happy with that. But what I was saying is that it's been a very lovely Christmas this year, and I am happy that everything went well. None of the rats have gotten sick this year, and everything's good so far, knock on wood. Good times, and I'm glad that I had you guys here with me to celebrate along. I'm gonna do the bun from my Christmas hair tutorial today, I think. I like that hairstyle, and I think I'm gonna wear the white bow with it. I'm gonna see if that looks nice, because I feel like that bow goes just perfectly with this dress. I don't think I showed you my outfit yesterday, by the way, but I was wearing the red gingerbread sweater with my black skirt. So today I'm wearing this dress again. Oh, by the way, we did watch a few more episodes of The Witcher, and I'm starting to like it more. It's growing on me a little bit. I'll let you know one way or another how I feel about it by the end of the season, I think. So far, not bad. That brings us to the end of Vlogmas 2019. We had a really good time at Robert's parents yesterday. All of his siblings were there and his grandma, and it was just, we had a really nice time. My camera battery died on the way there, so I couldn't vlog much over there, but it was just some really nice quiet family times. I think this concludes almost a month of vlogging. It's been really nice to take you along with me just in my day-to-day life, which is for the most part pretty uneventful, but I really enjoyed that way, and judging by the comments, I think you do as well. So thank you guys for joining me in this month. I hope you've had a wonderful Christmas as well. If you enjoy following these more personal bits of my life, then you can always follow me on Instagram. I post quite a lot on stories over there when I'm not vlogging, that is. And you can also check out my blog. I post some more personal stuff on there, and also monthly photo diaries. So if you want to kind of stay in touch with what I'm doing, then those are some great places to do that. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for loads more beauty and lifestyle content. If you'd like to support me through Patreon or my merch store, there'll be links in the description box below. Thank you so much for your support, guys. There is another video here that I think you might also enjoy. You can go watch next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!